Hi all my crafty friends, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. By doing so, you will help others, just like yourself, be able to find my home decor DIY videos. Today, I'll be using some Sola wood flowers to create a door hanger for my front door. I found the flowers I wanted to use out of the 100 Random Flowers bundle. I'll leave a link in the description for Sola wood flowers so you can take a look at all the amazing products they have to offer. I knew I wanted 3 different color flowers for this project, so I added water to 3 different bowls. The first color I used was Apple Barrel Purple Iris. I squeezed the paint into the bowl of water and mixed it well. I then dipped 3 of the flowers into the mixture and moved them around, flipping them over and making sure I covered the entire flower. I then set them to the side in a box for the time being. Next, I used Apple Barrel Tuscan Teal for the next set of flowers. I did the same dipping process with these flowers and placed them into the box with the first set. The last color I used was Apple Barrel Yellow Flame, and did the exact same thing as I had done with the other sets. I moved all the flowers from the box and placed them on a baking sheet. I placed them in the oven with it set to 210 degrees. I left them in the oven for about 20 minutes, checking on them every 5 minutes or so. While the flowers were in the oven, I painted this truck sign with chalk black paint on the wheels and Apple Barrel Bikini Blue mixed with a small amount of burnt umber for the truck. I created this cut file using Inkscape and cut it using my Cricut. I will be starting an Inkscape series soon. If you are interested in learning Inkscape, I'll leave a link in the description so you will be notified when the series starts. I'll also leave a link to this cut file or the pre-cut vinyl in the description below. I used transfer tape and applied it to the door of the truck. I painted the eggs in the back of the truck with burnt umber. This is where the Sola flowers will go. Once the flowers had dried, I removed them from the oven and let them cool. I used hot glue and attached the flowers over the eggs in the back of the truck. This little truck turned out amazing, and I love the flowers in the back. It's perfect for adding a touch of spring to your front door or any part of your home. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy crafting!